Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have Bacon Tots. Let me show you how to make this. And now it's time to make the dip for this little old dish here. You want to start off with roughly a quarter cup of red wine vinegar. And then you want to add a quarter cup of olive oil. And then you want to add 3 Roma tomatoes that we cut in half and then seeded. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of diced onions. And then 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. And then, of course, salt and pepper to taste. And just want to turn this on, and then basically you just want to puree this. And then pour it in a bowl and keep it in the fridge at least an hour before serving. Okay. With a deep fryer that has its oil heated to 350 degrees, that is important. Do not go up to 375, 350. You want to grab some frozen tater tots, and you want to make sure to fill the basket halfway full. Just add them here. And make sure you move them around. Make sure they're as even as possible. If you got to take a few out, then take a few out. And then you just want to drop this in and cook them for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. All right, and the tater tots are done, and you basically just want to dump them in a bowl, season with salt and pepper. I decided to go with Lowry seasoning salt and pepper. Give them a good toss in the bowl, and get ready to serve them. Trust me, they're going to be super crispy on the outside and super soft on the inside. Okay, so time to get some tater tots on the plate. When you plate these up, make sure you're going to remember you're going to have to keep room for a dish of our salsa. And then you want to add some bacon that we fried up. That was absolutely delicious. And then you want to add some pepper jack cheese to the top of the tots. And then you either want to pop this plate into a 200-degree oven or pop it into the microwave just to get the cheese melted. So about 2 minutes, 90 seconds in the microwave. And magic has happened. 2 minutes have passed. The cheese is all nice and melty. And all we got to do is just fill that little bowl with a little bit of our dipping sauce. And that's it. Bacon Tots. Done.